Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to install Minecraft Java Edition 1.21.11 on the Xbox Series consoles. Yes, full Java Edition with Fabric or Forge running directly on your Xbox Series. Before we get started, there are a few things you'll need already set up. I won't be covering these in this video, so if you don't have them ready, you'll need to look up a separate guide on how to get a dev mode account on Xbox, as this is something that only can run in developer mode. There is plenty of tutorials on YouTube showing this process and how to get it set up and running. This video focused purely on the Java Edition setup process on Xbox itself. You should also know how to access and install games and apps through Dev Home Portal with remote access on your PC or any device you already use. If you're all prepared and ready to go, let's jump straight into it. First thing we need to do is go to the GitHub page for the developer Verocity or the project Bandit Launcher. I'll do a search for Bandit Launcher as it's the first link here for me. I'll leave a link in the description. Once here you can scroll down and read any documentation on the project, current known issues, and other information for developers. What we want though is this releases section here on the right. Once here you'll see access to the nightly releases of the project. We want to use this drop down where it says assets, then click Bandit Launcher nightly.appx. Save it in a safe place and wait for it to finish downloading. While that's downloading, we can turn on our Xbox and get into our developer mode home portal screen so we can remote access the console from our PC web browser and install our application. Once you've done this, you'll need to navigate to your dev mode home portal screen on your PC's web browser where you will have your remote access to the console through your IP, as shown in the bottom right. I have removed my IP shown as yours will be different and they won't be the same from console to console. Now in your PC web browser, if you hit add under my games and apps, we can choose the Bandit Launcher file we just downloaded. Navigate to that file. I have found no reason to touch these advanced options, so just click next. There are no dependencies, so we don't have to worry about that. It can just hit start and wait for it to install. I've sped up the video to make things quicker. Yours will take a little bit longer than what's shown here. Once it's finished installing, you should now have the Bandit Launcher icon showing on your Xbox dashboard. But before we launch it for the first time, I recommend making sure you're logged into the Microsoft account that you own Minecraft Java Edition on. Make sure you own the Java Edition and are using that account. This isn't Bedrock or a way to bypass any of the Microsoft terms of service or get the game for free. You have to buy and own the Java version of the game for this to work. Now we are logged into our account that owns Java Edition, we can launch our Bandit Launcher on the Xbox. We will be met with an activation code. Just navigate to the link shown and enter the activation code. This is where having the account logged in that owns the game is crucial, as this is where the Bandit Launcher is going to check that the account owns the game with Microsoft, then proceed to download the Java game files needed to run and play the game. Once hitting accept, back on your Xbox you should see your Bandit Launcher change to its main screen now. From here you'll be able to launch the game, browse and download mods straight from mod hosting websites like Modrinth, access remote features for uploading mods, data packs or resource packs through your PC, repair the installation or sign out of the account. Before we can do anything, we need to hit play in order for the launcher to download the Minecraft Java game files. This may take some time, so I'll speed it up for the video purposes. Now that we've completed downloading the game files, we can go back to the Bandit Launcher and go into the mod section. Then profiles, as we need to create a new profile. Now we want to navigate back to the mods and look for a mod called Controllerify, as this will give us full controller support. Here you can see that there is access to different versions, but because we're playing on 121.11 fabric, we're just going to leave it as is. The other mod that the developer recommends also getting is sodium. As you'll see here, these are the current mods running on that profile. Now we're ready to launch the game. Now, at the time of recording this, there are a few known issues with the controller and hitting the view or edit button to change between cursor mode and game input mode. Unfortunately, this will crash your game. This is something that I know will be fixed in future releases, but I've found no issues so far with gameplay despite this issue. If you prefer keyboard and mouse though, there is also an option for you. If you head back to Bandit Launcher GitHub releases section, you will see a mouse relay nightly. This can be ran from your PC or from an Android device through the console's IP we used earlier. Once you have it downloaded, just unzip it. And on PC, just run the .exe file. To use the program, you will enter the console's IP address. It won't allow any letters, so you will just be using the numbers, but will not need the number after the colon. I'm just using ones here as an example. I personally don't use mouse and keyboard on my Xbox for Minecraft, so this will come with user-based issues that are each to their own based on the device used and the network speeds or quality. I hope this helps others with getting Bandit Launcher up and running and installed on their Xbox Series consoles. Check the description below for links, and like and subscribe for more content just like this around Bandit Launcher as it goes through development. Thank you.